Ever been in the middle of a GrabPay transaction only to be met with a frustrating roadblock? Your account needs verification. Yeah, been there, done that. It's like trying to order your favorite food, only to be told you need a secret handshake first. Well, today, we're cracking that code. Let's dive into the world of GrabPay verification and figure out how to get past this hurdle. Think about it. You've probably used GrabPay to order food, book rides, or even pay bills. It's super convenient, right? But when you hit that verification wall, it can feel like a major setback. You're left wondering, what do they even mean by verification, and why is this so complicated? Let's break it down. Why does GrabPay need to verify your identity? Well, it's all about security. They want to make sure that it's actually you using your account, and not some sneaky cybercriminal trying to steal your hard-earned cash. So, it's for your protection. But we get it, the process can be a pain. So, how do you actually verify your identity? Let's get into the nitty-gritty. First things first, you'll need a government-issued ID, like your national ID card or passport. Make sure it's valid and clear. Next, open your Grab app and navigate to your GrabPay wallet. Look for the Verify Your Identity option. It might be hiding under a different name, so keep your eyes peeled. Once you find it, follow the on-screen instructions. You'll likely need to upload a clear photo of your ID, both front and back. Make sure there's no glare or shadows blocking important details. Some verification processes might also require a selfie of you holding your ID. This is another security measure to confirm it's really you. Now, let's talk about potential issues. What if your ID is expired or damaged? Don't panic. Grab might have specific guidelines for this. Check their help center or contact their support for guidance. Also, what if you're having trouble uploading the photos? Make sure your internet connection is stable and try different lighting conditions. If it's still not working, reach out to Grab's support team. Remember, verification might take some time. Don't freak out if you don't see an instant green light. Grab needs to process your information, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll usually get a notification. And there you have it. You've conquered the world of GrabPay verification. It might seem like a small victory, but it's a big step towards enjoying a hassle-free GrabPay experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy grabbing.